Hello, my name is Ashley Bundy, and this is my exam mini video on developmental networks. So this is the explanation of what all of these mean. So the Patrick gene product inhibits transcription of SpongeBob, as you can see here. The Squidward gene product stimulates transcription of Mr. Krabs. The Mr. Krabs gene product inhibits the action of Patrick. And if SpongeBob is transcribed, then Plankton is defeated. Okay, moving to the bottom. So if Squidward is removed, he is not available to stimulate or promote Mr. Krabs, so he cannot block Patrick, so he is available. And that means that he is available to block SpongeBob, so SpongeBob is not available, meaning that SpongeBob cannot defeat Plankton. So if Mr. Krabs is removed, then he is not available to block Patrick, so he is available. SpongeBob is being blocked by Patrick, so he is not available, meaning that SpongeBob is not available to block Plankton, meaning he is not defeated. So if Patrick is removed, then that means he is not available to block SpongeBob, so SpongeBob is available to block Plankton, meaning that Plankton is defeated. So if Squidward and Mr. Krabs were both unavailable, that means Mr. Krabs is not available to block Patrick, so Patrick is available, which means he is available to block SpongeBob, and that means that SpongeBob is not available to defeat Plankton. Lastly, if Mr. Krabs and Patrick are not available, that means Patrick is not available to block SpongeBob, so SpongeBob is available, so he is available to block Plankton, which means Plankton is defeated.